and then back again. We have now 5 minutes from before. Look at Jason. Jason's pouring in the cream or milk. I can't tell which what
You
it
make
is.
another batch.
What?
You make another batch.
He's making another batch. Amazing. Spectacular. Look at Kung. He's so skillful with his Iron Chef hands. Look at that. Look at that. Very finely cut. Delicious.
You go into the flour.
Now she's dipping in the flour and, as Jason's mom said, and putting it into, what is that?
Secret batter.
It's called a sacred batter, said from Jason's mom.
MSG,
as he said, which is monosodium glutamate.
Okay.
Glutamate, sir. Makes things very tasty. Look at that.
Let's go. Let's go.
Can you smell that?
Ooh,
I can smell that view.
I don't know if you can smell the camera.